Alright, and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about a vehicle I purchased. We're going to be talking about what it looks like in picture and what it looks like when I got it. When we're first looking at this, it's a 2012 Chevy Cruze. It was hit in the front, clean title. I'm going to go through the pictures real quick with you guys. Everything seems good around the body except the front. And I'm looking at it, looks like it needs fender on the passenger side, hood, bumper, of course sport. I was taking a chance with the radiator. If that was busted, couldn't be able to drive it. Tell it's a little damage right here. It's going to need to be pulled on a frame machine. But other than that, that's what it looks like. I never got to see it. It was an off-site location. That's actually about like 2 hours away from my house. Never drove out that far. But other than that, I'm going to play the video of what we got, what it looked like, and here's just a little more information. No airbags, runs and drives. After seeing the video, I just wanted to point out a few things. Once I got the vehicle, everything came up to what it was. No body damage around the vehicle except the front, no scratches, no nothing. Only damage I missed was actually right on the fender, driver's side fender. It's very hard to see, but right there, the hood got pushed back so far that when they opened the hood, they bent the fender. So I'll have to end up getting a new fender. It could be fixable, but the fender is a better cost if I just end up switching the whole fender out same color. Other than that, radiator, condenser, all that good stuff works perfectly. I can even end up using them. They're a teeny bit bent, not a big deal. Obviously, hood, bumper. I did miss out on the headlight. I do need a headlight also. Other than that, it was actually a good purchase because I didn't check the vehicle out before purchasing it. Took a chance. As you can see, I did get a good deal on this. Not too much damage behind the radiator. Usually, always when you do purchase a vehicle, expect the worst of the worst. Calculate your math as high as it could be. Sometimes you'll actually have radiator damage, condenser, you have to change the pillars. So you have to be careful about that. But for this one, I got a good deal. Thank you for watching. If you liked one of my videos, please give me a like or subscribe. Until then, see you next time.